Have a little experiment on the Model 3 today. How many adapters can we plug in? This is just for fun. I have a dryer outlet. That's the old school 3-pin 240 volt style plug. Not the NEMA 1430, like the new ones take. I made a little adapter, just wired that into a 620 receptacle for 240 volt. And I also have the 620 plug on the Tesla mobile connector. I'm going to try and plug this in. 2 hands. Alright, we're plugged in. Powered up. We're going to run that into a Tesla tap. Tesla to J1772 adapter. 2 hands again. We're going to run that into a quick charge power J long J1772 extension cable. This is rated for 40 amps as well. Alright, that's plugged in. And over at the car, of course, we have the Tesla plug here, back from J1772. Alright, 2 hands again there. See what happens. We went green. We are charging. So there we go. So up from the dryer, I don't forget how long that Tesla cable is, probably something close to 20 feet. The J-Long's, I think, another 20 or 24 feet. Plenty of distance, can go through all these adapters. And we should have 16 amp charging, 237 volt, pretty good. That's all, just having some fun today.